Well, once again, it's been a while since I did a new video for you guys, but I've been pretty busy working on something in about the background. Still finished the EJS lesson I was just taking with Udemy with Angela Yu's course, but now I've got something new to show you, as that is a new app that I have been working on, and I'm going to give you just a quick tour. So what you're looking at here is basically just a quick glance at this app in total. Now, this app is going to give you basically just the nuts and bolts of what you would need for any kind of weather in West Tennessee. Mo put out an update this morning. Since then, we've had a little bit of a update for what clouds are going to look like for the rest of the day. You can see there it gives you a 12-hour forecast from our in-house computer model, First Alert Futurecast. That's kind of neat. But Mo's update right there kind of gives you a quick glance before you get out of bed even what the weather's going to look like for the rest of the day. And then we get everything from interactive radar, which can let you know where lightning strikes are nearby. You've got basically a ton of different alerts that you can set up on this phone and on this app here for smartphone and tablet. And right now we're looking at Tropical Storm Sally, forecast to make landfall somewhere either near eastern New Orleans or eastern Louisiana or even Mississippi tomorrow. And then you got current conditions, hour-by-hour forecasts, 5 or 7 day weather news. You got all kinds of different blogs there, and live camera feeds and weather station data from WBBJ, or you can watch live. And then, of course, all the other tabs at the bottom of the screen are submitting a photo. So this has been a lot of fun putting this together. It's taken up the vast majority of my time, and pretty soon I'm going to upload a video that's like a 2-minute tutorial for using the app. But after I finish that, I'm going back to the classes, but in a different way than I did before. I'm going to go ahead and start using the classes to actually build new projects, to kind of create new stuff. So number one project is going to be creating a weather API that's going to be used specifically for the TV station and gathering weather data from that weather station you saw in the app and putting it in a CSV file. And I know it's outdated format, but it's a CSV file that our weather graphics can read. So I'm going to use that for on air. And then the second thing is going to be creating the forecast verification tool for the meteorologist at WBBJ. And just seeing how our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 day forecasts pan out. Kind of as a little tool for us to be self-aware for how we're doing and to keep us accountable, since we know our viewers will keep us accountable if we don't do that ourselves. So working on that, and then there's a ton of other projects I've got in the works. Long term, some other more heavier, weighty stuff, like building the Tennessee weather desk that I told you about earlier in my series, and much more. So I'm going to go back, relook at some of my old lessons, and then I'll get to completing EJS and the blog post that Angela has us building, blog post website there for my portfolio. So that's a quick update. It is Monday, September 14th, so I've been at it for about 6 months now in this coding. So it's been going really well, even though it got a lot slower over the summer for those reasons. So anyways, that's all. Talk to you soon.